Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And today I'll be showing you how I make my DIY greenhouse on a budget. I don't want to have to walk all the way to the farmland to get my fresh green vegetables. I want to be able to just open my door, walk outside, and pick some lovely fruits and vegetables right next to my kitchen. So that's why I needed to create a greenhouse, but one with a small budget. So let's start. Before going to a hardware to buy any board, I look around my yard to see what I could find. I found this board that was already nailed up together and a base that was already nailed up together. So all I have to do is put it together and I have one side down already. All I have to do now is to nail up another side on it. So boom bam, that's exactly what we did. We nailed on two boards onto the other side and then we placed in the top shelf, and then we worked on the foot of the base to ensure that it was stable and balanced. We sawed off anything that would make it rocky. And then my husband was like, hey, you need to put an X at the back to for added support, so he did that. And then I have a neighbor who is a farmer and he had a greenhouse, and I begged him a little bit of the greenhouse material because remember, it's on a budget. You know what I mean? And then I just nail it up on top so that it can take off the heat of the plants on top, that the heat not really burn them up too much while it still can get little rain. You know what I mean, guys? So you don't have to have a lot of money to create something outside where you can plant your vegetables or your fruits. You can just put two and two together and do something at home. Alright, yes, that look well sturdy now. So I just started this greenhouse, so I don't have anything planted on top yet, but I started down at the bottom, at the base. I have a little pop chai going and a little beetroot growing. I'm going to show you right now. Yes, I need to put some more TLC right now, and I'm going to, because I really want to be able to just walk outside and pick fruits and vegetables or whatever, you know what I mean? But I hope this inspired you to get started. Thanks for watching.